Welcome to the busiest Benidorm town. It is the last day of March. The Easter holidays are about to begin tomorrow. And Benidorm's absolutely different from what it was just a few days ago. You will be shocked with the amount of people that we'll see on Benidorm streets. 31st of March officially, last day of the month. And Levante Beach will be packed up almost to the top. Not the busiest, you'll see it in the next upcoming days, but the difference can already be seen. Enjoy with us a walk with real-time atmosphere in Benidorm. Quite a lot of people are making pictures right here commemorating these lovely days and their trip here to Benidorm town. It is morning time. Don't think that it's already afternoon. It is morning. So this is morning's video around 10:30. And you can see that due to the time change, obviously a lot of countries, including Spain, have shifted towards summertime, which is great. We love it because we have way more time on the sunshine, which is greatly appreciated. And which is why here in the morning you can also see a little bit more of the shade left from the skyscrapers nearby. A lot of people working nonstop on the beach to make it clean, neat, and tidy. The cable ski, the parasailing, all this is ready already. Look at that. They all have vests already on there. Everything's good to go. The cable ski is also open, which is a giant shift, honestly. We've seen it empty for quite a while. And now there's 1, 2, 3 booths. Oh my God, look at this parasailing, banana, fly fish. Even that is open. Ooh. Rental boats and jet skis. That's good to know. Cafe Roman is quite busy from early in the morning. There's quite a lot of people out here about and around. Obviously, the time is great and the sun's shining. It is a very nice weather today. We are so surprised and finally we have the typical weather that we used to have here. Look at this scene. It is so gorgeous. Yellow flag because there is slightly a little bit of waves and there is some wind. But there is several lifeguards. As promised, Benidorm never fails. We were promised intensified amount of surveillance, more lifeguards, more places, cleaned up beach, some sunbeds, umbrellas. We were promised some activities, water activities. Everything is here as promised. Everything is out here. And definitely we can start seeing that the Easter is here already. Even though technically it starts tomorrow afternoon, but hey, it is busy. And the more we will be heading towards the old town, the busier this will look like. Because not only international tourists are here right now, but also national ones. Because a lot of people have holidays here. Remember, please, that starting from Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday are national holidays in Spain. So a lot of the places, official institutions, banks, pharmacies, a lot of supermarkets, places will be closed because these are festivities. And Mojito sellers are back. Hey, look at that. Or maybe it's from the nearby bar. We shouldn't. I don't think so. I don't think it's from a nearby bar. This is not. Look at that. There we go. I don't even know what it is. What are they selling? I'm surprised how they're not afraid of the police. We've seen the Thai woman or maybe Chinese woman who is like offering massages on the beach, which is also illegal, but it's not as dangerous unless of the oil and allergic reactions, etc. But it's not as dangerous as drinking the cocktails on the beach. Never, ever, please, never purchase a cocktail from the Mojito sellers. This is cheap burnt alcohol. A lot of the times it's medicinal alcohol, pure alcohol, and a lot of the times it's really cheap and not a good quality thing that will send you to the emergency department. So don't do that. If you want a cocktail, get one for probably even cheaper at the nearby establishments. Enjoy it on the terrace and then go back to the beach if you want. But do not purchase this type of alcohol here. And I thought it will take them a while to come back. Usually they're here in summer, but look at that. It is still technically spring season, but they are already here. They know it's Easter holidays. They know there's going to be people here, so they're trying to get as much profit as possible by selling these types of drinks. But obviously they will be getting the cheaper options possible and not always the good options, and it's done on the floor, on the street, on the ground, or in the back of the van or in the back of the car in the best case scenario. So yeah, be very, very careful. Sure, they will make you a full video about the things that you have to know while coming to Spain in general, to a lot of other places. That would be probably valid when you're going on holidays. Everything you should know, updated for this year 2026. And now we'll leave you a little bit with the natural sound of Benidorm.
Ahora que me da igual que lo hubieran dicho.
Capacidad de pensar en cambiar.
And as mentioned, look at this. These are all the pedal boats. They're bringing them here slowly but surely, but they're not operative right now. When they are, they're going to be putting them closer to the sea. And there's going to be like a small booth where they'll be sitting down and selling like the passes, the tickets. But now it's not the case. I think they brought them more or less for the option that people just want to see that it is something available. But it's not just it's not to be used, but it's simply for people to see that, oh, there are some more services out here, so that's probably why it is being put in place. And obviously it's going to be starting to work, but not just yet. I think in May, June, that's when people start like their swimming season usually here. Us locals will swim in June, beginning of June, first days. That's when we start the swimming season. But I think that obviously international tourists, they do start slightly earlier. We see people in April swimming, May already quite more, and June is already like a typical summer season. Extremely busy. everywhere, people everywhere, and this is not even the beginning of the festivities just yet, but you can see how vivid the Levante Beach Promenade looks like, and more even, I would say, not as much as Levante Beach Promenade, but the beach itself. Remember just a few days ago, it was empty, even though the sun was shining, but it was quite empty. But now it's packed up with people, as much as it is possible for end of March, but it is really busy with people. It looks vivid. It looks like it's summer out here. And definitely that is why the Mojito sellers and everyone else are here too. They know where the business is all about. Now we are already close to one of the busiest spots, not for right now, but slightly for later in the day. We are by the Tiki Beach, and that's like the crossroads where a lot of people actually come to, which is why it is so incredibly vivid here. That's where people are coming from. A lot of the hotels from Rincon de Loich, they all end up right here at this crossroads and either go towards the old town or towards the left towards Rincon de Loich. Tiki Beach slowly is getting more people. I mean, it's still early in the day. It's not even 11 in the morning, so people are heading out here in mass. Probably in an hour or 2 hours, Tiki Beach will be really busy. And by this afternoon, they'll have the DJ session here, and it's going to be impossible to pass, as it always usually is. Absolutely incredible. We are a little bit scared of what's going to be happening this summer and what's going to be happening these Easter holidays, because it's supposed to be a record amount of visitors. And honestly, well, we don't really know what to expect. You never know, but this year, at least by what we see, bookings in the hotels and bookings of the flights, etc., it all shows that it's going to be really busy. Last year was supposed to be busy too, but it wasn't that overwhelming for some reason. Maybe because people travel to more areas and not only stay in Benidorm. Maybe that's because tourism just changes a little bit, slowly but surely. Who knows? Let us know here in the comments what you think. But last year it did feel like it's less busy, but at the same time, numbers show the contrary part. And right now it's supposed to be a record summer. So we're curious to see what's actually going to be happening in our region, if it's going to be as busy as it usually should. And hopefully it's not going to be too overwhelming, because we know some people who love to be in the center of all the action, but then other tourists, locals, who prefer to stay in slightly less of a crowded space. All that we know now is that the sun is shining, sun hats are on, sunglasses are on back again. We started to use sunscreen already. Technically, we do it the whole year, but it's slightly less. Now we started to use 50 plus back again, especially on the face and the hands. So sunscreen mode on, sun hats, sunglasses, water for some hydration also, especially if the temperatures go up, but it's not as important, not as a must, a lifesaver as it is in summer. Even so, quite important if you do a lot of walking around the area. Very pleasant temperatures, as you were able to hear in the latest news update as well. This Easter will probably be one of the very few ones that we've ever had that have plus 26 degrees and it's not raining. This is going to be the best Easter that we've had here in Benidorm. And probably that is why a lot of people are also booking last minute trips, because they've seen that the weather is going to be amazing. So they decided to go on with it, book last minute accommodation and just enjoy the sunshine if they have a little bit of time to escape towards the sunny Spain. So as you can see, absolutely vivid, incredible atmosphere. Just at the very beginning, at the very start of the Easter holidays. Thank you for accompanying us in today's video. We wish you a lovely day. And stay tuned for more videos here on the channel. The next one is coming up this evening as usual. Make sure you subscribe, and if you're coming here on holidays, enjoy the sunshine that is waiting for you. Stay safe and discover as much as you can during your trip. We'll see you in a brand new video this evening. Bye!